Wara karriera professjonali ta' 12 sena fil-futbol, fejn fost l-oħrajn lab mat-timijiet ta' Manchester United u Norwich u mat-tim nazzjonali tal-Irlanda, iż-żagħżugħ Philip Mulyrn beda jħoss xi ħaġa nieqsa f'ħajtu minkejja s-suċċessi li kien qed jagħmel. Għalhekk waqaf sena mill-futbol u mar lura f'pajjiżu fejn hemmhekk beda jħoss is-sejħa sabiex jingħaqad mal-Ordni tad-Dominikani fejn eventwalment ġie ordnat saċerdot. Iltqajna ma' dan il-Patri fil-kunvent tad-Dominikani fir-Rabat fejn qed iqatta ftit ta' żmien qabel ma jkompli bil-vokazzjoni tiegħu f'Dublin l-Irlanda.
And I sort of rediscovered my faith in that year that I came home to Ireland, and it was in the course of that year that I started to maybe feel the stirrings of the vocation to priesthood and religious life in the Dominican order, and I really just sort of said yes to that call. You know, it took a bit of time to come to terms with, but ultimately I kind of got the sense that my happiness lies in this kind of way of life.
Din is-sejħa ma qfitux milli jilgħab il-futbol, tant li llum jilgħab ma' tim f'Dublin.
So it's a great avenue to reach young people because, like myself, a lot of young people aspire to be footballers, and it's a very popular game amongst young people. So it can be a way to bring in kind of the importance of faith to an athlete, which I think is hugely important.
Stqarmana li f'żożitu kellu l-ambizzjoni li jsir coach professjonali tal-futbol wara li jtemm il-karriera ta' plejer. Iżda llum jgħid li fil-ħajja sempliċi tal-kunvent sab iżjed ferħ u sodisfazzjon. Għalhekk appella lid-dilettanti żgħażagħ tal-futbol biex jieħdu pjaċir jipprattikaw dan l-isport, iżda ma jinsewx li l-ħajja toffri iktar minn hekk.
To follow if they have the ability and to follow that way of life, but not to put all your focus and your trust in this way of life as if it's going to last forever, because it's a very short career. So to prepare yourself for life afterwards also.